The basics of financing a business. There are a number of ways you could do it, each with its own pluses and minuses. Before moving to the main topic of the video, I'm gonna tell you about that what is business financing. And before it, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. So what is business financing? Unless your business has the balance sheet of Apple eventually, you will probably need access to capital through business financing. Even many large cap companies routinely seek capital infusions to meet short term obligations. For small businesses, find a suitable funding model is vitally important. Take money from the wrong source and you may lose part of your company or find yourself locked into payment terms that impair your growth for many years into futures. What is debit financing? Debit financing for your business is something you likely understand better than you think. Do you have a mortgage or an automobile loan? Both of these are forms of debit financing. It works the same way for your business. Debit financing comes from a bank or some other lending institutions. Although private investors can offer it to you, this is not the norm. For businesses that have a more complicated corporate structure or have been in existence for an extended period, banks will check other sources. The Dun and Bradstreet file is one of the most important. D&B is the best known company for compiling credit history. Before applying, make sure all business records are complete and organized. If the bank approves your loan request, it will set up payment terms including interest. If the process sounds a lot like the process you have gone through numerous times to receive a bank loan, you are right. Advantages of debit financing. There are several advantages to financing your business through debt. The lending institution has no control over how you run your company and it has no ownership. Once you pay back the loan, your relationship with the lender ends. That is especially important as your business becomes more valuable. And disadvantages of debit financing. Adding a debit payment to your monthly expenses assumes that you will always have the capital inflow to meet all the business expenses, including the debit payment. Small business lending can be slowed substantially during recessions. In tougher times for the economy, it can be difficult to receive debit financing unless you are overwhelming qualified. So, what is equity financing? If you have ever watched ABC hit series Shark Tank, you may have a general idea of how equity financing works. It comes from investors, often called venture capitalists or angel investors. So, I think